Hello, this is our expression today. Always start from the inner parenthesis. 3 squared is 9, is 8. 9 minus 8, we have 1. This inner parenthesis here is 1. Our expression becomes square root of 75 the square bracket. Square root of 27 we can express as square root of 9 times square root of 3. Square root of 3 times 1 is equal to square root of 3. Square root of 9 is 3 and square root of 3. 3 root 3 minus root 3. 3 root 3 minus root 3 is like 3x minus x. Therefore, 3 root 3 minus root 3, we have 2 root 3. So this expression here is 2 root 3. Now we have root 75 times coil bracket root 3 plus this 2 root 3. Now the coil bracket. Root 3 plus 2 root 3 is like x plus 2x. Therefore, root 3 plus 2 root 3 gives us 3 root 3. All that is left here is root 75 times 3 root 3. Root 75 we can express as root 25 times root 3 times 3 root 3. Root 25 is 5 times root 3 times 3 root 3. We can collect the like terms. We have 5 times 3 times root 3 times root 3. 5 times 3 is 15 times root 3 times root 3 is equal to 3. Therefore, 15 times 3, this expression gives us 45.